How to make Instagram profile card. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make Instagram profile card and you can share to your story. So this is a very cool update from Instagram. So to get this here, I'm going to show you what you have to do. You just need to go to Play Store on your device, or if you're using iOS, just go to App Store, and then here you have to search for Instagram. Okay, after searching for Instagram, make sure to update your Instagram. Okay, after updating, here you can see this is the one, customizable profile card to connect with friends over what your card about. So here let me just you just need to update it, and then let me just get inside Instagram. So now here what you need to do, here you have to click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner, and then here you can see share profile. Simply click on share profile. Here you can see this is the one. Now here you have to click on, if you're gonna share on your story, click on the plus icon, and then you can select QR and profile info. Just you can select anyone. I will just go for profile info, or you can go for QR also. Okay, so this is how you can do that.